Hey all, and welcome to Real Ale of Britain. Folks, we've got another beer for you tonight. It's from the Dorset Brewing Company, and it's their Yachtsman's Ale. Okay, coming in at 4.7% ABV. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. Another brewery from the south coast with fantastic designs and good looking bottles. Okay, so this bottle's just got a golden crown on it. So let's crack this bad boy open. Alright, look at that, nice bit of smokiness. And let's go straight for the pour. So, this beer is pouring with medium carbonation, which is a nice light golden colour. Okay, and it has a nice white, tightly packed bubbled head, which is starting to disperse quite quickly. Okay, which is one finger. And look at that colour, folks. That is absolutely gorgeous. It is a nice deep golden colour with a little tint of orange to it. So let's go straight in with the aroma. So the first thing you're getting, you're picking up some malted barley. You're picking up some wheat. You're picking up some flat leaf parsley. Some white bread. There's a bit of a cucumber kind of smell to it as well. Okay, let's go straight in with the flavour. Cheers. Oh, very nice. So the first thing, what you're getting, there's some biscuity malts. There's some nice caramel malts. There's this nice wheat taste, which is leaving this kind of oily coating on the inside of the palate. There's some nice earthiness, green hops. There is a nice bit of kind of just freshly cut grass sitting in the background. And then there's this beautiful sweetness. It's not overpowering, it's just balancing with the bitterness. And I think it's honey. And it's just very mellow sitting in the background, but it gives that nice kind of strong honey kind of burntness taste sitting just in the back of the throat. Very good indeed. Folks, what is the finish like in this beer? The finish is grassy with a nice bitter sweet finish leading to that nice honey drizzly sweetness at the end. Anyway, what shall we give Dorset Brewing Company for their Yachtsman's Ale, 4.7%. Folks, this to me is a great session beer, alright? And it's a 7 out of 10, a 7 out of 10. Folks, that's Real Ale of Britain doing a review on Dorset Brewing Company's Yachtsman Ale. Cheers and Slán Machara.